Hi everyone, Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations. Let's talk Pink Frog memory book kits. We're talking portrait landscape here. So if I lay these down, you can make landscape and you can make portrait. And you can make these all from one kit from Pink Frog Cards and Crafts. So in the kit you get enough to make 4 books. Now you're probably thinking, okay, that's lots of different size cards. Oh no, it's not, because this is a Dawn's Inspirations memory album. So very few cuts, but you're going to get great results every time. But let me explain a little bit about the concept of the portrait landscape. If I bring this in, this is what you're going to get. So with your memory books from Pink Frog Cards and Craft, this is the large landscape portrait we're looking at here. You're going to get enough in your kit to make 4 memory books. You could make 1 landscape, 3 portrait, 2 landscape, 2 portrait, 3 landscape, 1 portrait, 4 landscape, no portrait, no landscape, 4 portrait. The choice is yours. We're giving you the choice so you can decide whether you take more portrait photos, more landscape photos, so you can decide which books you want to make in which preference. So if I look through this one, here's a landscape one, the lovely Heather's made for me. You're going to get everything you need in the kit. Okay, so you've got that nice big pocket and enough cardstock to make your photo mat, so you can put a photo each side of there, in the back there, on that inside cover just there, and also on the front cover if you wish as well. So plenty of space. Each album has 8 pages, so you've got lots of space for photographs. Yes, the albums lay flat, so when you're viewing with my cantilever hinge system, they lay flat, so it gives you the choice. So that's your landscape. Let's have a quick look at your portrait. So again, all made from the kit. So your portrait, same size pages, photo mats in here exactly the same. Again, all lays flat for postage. So your page size overall is going to be, let's do it in centimetres, is going to be 15 centimetres by, where are we? By 20 centimetres. So whether you're doing portrait or landscape, your page size is the same. Okay, so if we talk about that in inches, we're talking just over 7 3/4 inches by just over 5 3/4 inches. So they're good size pages. So you now have the choice of which way round you want to have your pages in your albums. But this doesn't just stop there with this kit from Pink Frog. This is the new tonal kit where you're going to get the 4 lovely colours. We've got pink, we've got dark grey, we've got the light brown, and we've got the grey. So you get 4 different colours of album in the brand new tonal kit from Pink Frog. You're also going to get your measurements in centimetres. I have taken them out, but you're going to get a cutting and scoring guide in centimetres. So you've got landscape and portrait, will tell you everything that you need to do, and also your written instructions. So you've got everything there you need to make these lovely albums. But we don't stop there. Oh no, we don't. So also with these, you can also make, as you may have seen on the cutting and scoring guide, bonus double pocket page. So yes, we have the pocket pages for the landscape, but how about creating double pocket pages. So these give you extra photo mats, and you've got all those instructions on there as well. So we're going to give you all of that, okay, in the kit with that. Now, if you like and you want to extend this kit, you can turn your albums from just like this made with the kit. How about adding a chipboard cover or a grey board cover? Again, it still works. It's still exactly the same size. Okay, so there is a video tutorial over on the Pink Frog YouTube channel to show you how to create your grey or mount board covers for these. No problem at all. And you can have covers, whether they are what we call the wraparound cover. And I also show you how to do this version, which is the back-to-back cover. So you can add grey board or mount board to your albums as well. But it doesn't just stop there either. This is just the gift that keeps giving. Let's get your memory books alive. How about an online workshop? If you're a more visual learner, there is my online workshop for the large landscape portrait memory books from Pink Frog. Now, the workshop comes in imperial as well as metric. The kit comes with your metric measurements, but if you prefer imperial, the online workshop comes in both. So in the workshop, you're going to get 11 step-by-step video tutorials. You're going to get 11 in inches and then 11 in centimetres, so you can choose which one you prefer to work in. It also includes that bonus video showing you how to create that double pocket in the landscape book. It's password protected. You've got your printable PDFs in inches or centimetres, your choice. You've got your step-by-step instructions, again in imperial and in metric. You get a supply list of tools you're going to need, which is very few. No special dies in this at all, just your trimmer, your scoreboard, your bone folder for that burnishing, some really good glue, acid and lignin free glue, because all the cardstock in the Pink Frog memory book kits is acid and lignin free. So this is perfect for your memory keeping journey. So if you haven't started making memory books, you don't know where to start, these kits are just perfect for you. So join me over on HobbyMaker at 6 p.m. on Saturday the 9th of May for the Pink Frog memory book kit. I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations. Bye for now.